Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game, open Overwatch 2 and sign in. Once in the main lobby, press ESC or the Options button to surface the menu. You need to get to settings immediately because vibration controls live under accessibility and controller options. Make sure to select Settings, the gear icon, and then move to the controller and accessibility tabs. This is the first actionable step to reach the vibration toggle and avoid hunting through submenus unnecessarily. Now that you're in settings, navigate to controller then controller options so you can see input-related features. You'll find vibration or haptic feedback listed among rumble controls. Change the selector to off for your active controller profile. If you use multiple profiles, repeat for each one and check both gamepad and controller vibration entries. Doing this stops in-game rumble during abilities and impact effects, and prevents inconsistent feedback across different controllers. Once you toggle vibration off, you must apply or save settings and exit back to the lobby because unsaved changes won't stick. You should test in a practice range or quick match to confirm no rumble triggers during abilities. If vibration persists, make sure your console or PC controller drivers and OS haptic settings aren't overriding the game. Disable system-level vibration or remap profiles. If still active, power cycle the controller and re-enter settings to verify the option remained off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.